Hi everyone, it's Denise with Wondubar Crafts. I am here today to share a little bit of happy mail and extend my apologies for not being on, not doing any videos lately. My allergies are really bad right now. I don't know what's going on. Normally I get bad allergies, but not like this. My face is like puffed up and on fire, and I've been taking my Claritin, and um, doctors just like continue to take the Claritin, because really they don't want people in and out of there unless it's like an emergency or whatever, which I understand. Right now I don't even want to take the chance of going in there. But so I've been kind of really in a fog. I've been making masks to donate. I've been wearing a mask to make the masks because, like I said, my eyes are watering, and you know how it is when you get allergies, you get itchy and stuff, and I don't want to touch my face. So yeah. And so, like I said, I have because I've done so many of these, it's kind of like just, kind of like a routine, repetitive thing. My creativity, though, is just really on the low side. So I apologize to you guys. Between that and my ADHD going, oh, wait a minute, we had things planned. What's going on? All this stuff has been disrupted. You can't do that. It's been a little on the crazy side. So, but I apologize. We'll get back in the groove. I'm going to make, I've got another little batch that I want to do up to send out to someone who requested them also. So once I get those done, I'll get back to doing some stuff. I did find a gift bag, so I do want to do a video on that, and I've got some plans with to do probably an Easter little journal using Crafty Cat's her Easter bonnet, digital. Sorry guys, like I said, I'm just like so in a fog. But I did get some wonderful happy mail from Melody. Thank you so much, Melody. This has cheered me up so much. I went out today. I did manage to find eggs. Yay! Can't find flour, but I did find eggs, and I did find a few other little things that I needed. So, yay, that's good. And these guys, I'm telling you, that are working in Walmart and all these stores and all these in convenience places, they are humping it in there. They deserve a huge kudo. So when I go into the store, I always tell them thank you, because they are working so hard to keep those shelves stocked as much as possible. So, and any of you guys that do work out there in that industry, thank you so much for everything that you guys have done. Anyone who works in the health industry, thank you so much for what you do. Even if you work in fast food, thank you so much, because I know you guys have kept a lot of, like, the truck drivers and those people that need to bring our essential stuff to us on the road. So you guys have really pulled together, and trust me, I appreciate each and every one of you guys, for doing what you're doing. So anyway, back to this. I did get a little sneaky peek already. I haven't seen what's inside, but I did take it out of the, and I love this paper, Melody. This newsprint paper. It's like tissue paper. I love it. And she put this pretty little ribbon on here with a little note for me. And she said, thank you for all your videos and projects, and you're very welcome, Melody. Thank you guys. If it wasn't for you guys supporting, I probably wouldn't do it. I mean, I probably would load videos on there just, for an outlet. But lately, like I said, I haven't done very many, so I apologize for that. But I do promise they're coming. They're coming back. And you are very welcome also, Melody. She put another little note on there, and you're very welcome, sweetheart. So let's see what we got in here. Ooh, it's a cute little, it looks like a little folio in here. Okay, it's all ribboned up. And pretty little heart. She put some layered lace on here with a little heart. Isn't that cute? That's adorable. I like the little bunnies on it. Cute. And a big journaling tag. Awesome. I like how she put her lace on there and then she stitched across. I don't know. I just love the way that looks for some reason. I know some people are like, well, you can't write over it. Yeah, but you can put a little space and start down here. And I just love that. I don't know. I just think it gives it personality. Oh, okay. It's like a little trifolio. This is really cute. Where did you, somebody must have done a video on it or something, or if not, man, I wish you did videos, Melody, because this is really cute. I bet you. It's probably not that hard to figure out. I have to do something. I don't know. You'll have to message me on Etsy or whatever. She put a pretty little Easter greeting card in here and a nice big journaling card. And her little bunnies on the front. They're so cute. There, and she's got a little tuck spot up here with a bunny and a bee and a bird. Oh, those are cute. Bunny, bee, and bird. And a little pocket and avocado dyed graph paper there. Recognize that. Pretty little journaling card with bunny. That one too. Is that straw paper that everyone keeps talking about? I don't know. I haven't ordered any, but I don't know. I haven't ordered anything from anyone, and I do apologize if I normally order from you guys. I just right now with everything, I'm trying not to be paranoid, but I still think, and it's not that I don't want to be supportive because I really do, because once this kind of picks up, I'll probably do a huge buy and stock up on stuff too. So I just have been kind of not ordering if I can, just trying to use what I've got for now. But this is really cute. I don't know what game this is from. Is that like Alice in Wonderland or the Mad Hatter or something like that? I don't know. It's cute. Oh, and we got another little card in here. This is really adorable, Melody. You've got to let me know, like, where you seen this, or if this is like something you came up with. And I would love to make a couple of these. These are cute. Because, you know, I think that they're not overly thick. They would make a great book board inside of a journal, you know, like an addition to a journal. So you could literally, you know, put it in there and then write over it, you know. That would be really cute. A nice little addition in a journal. And then she made a guest check with an altered paper clip. And it's avocado dyed. And little card says Happy Easter. I like the chicken or the rooster. Is that a rooster or a chicken? I don't know. I think it's a rooster, but it's still cute. I think it's supposed to be a chicken, but I don't know. And a butterfly and some little ephemera pieces and some avocado dyed paper and another little card in here. Bunny Longears and his cousin send good wishes by the dozen, and so do I. Oh, thank you, Melody. This was very sweet and a wonderful pick-me-up. Thank you so much, sweetheart. Trust me, I may not sound overly ecstatic over it, but I love it. I really do. My head is in such a fog, and gosh, I hate to be the grumpy, you know, but it's like, oh, I'm sick, you know, and I'm trying to just push through it as much as I can and do what I can. So I thought, well, wanted to make up these masks and you know, try to get them sent out. And then I did find a gift bag. So I do want to do the gift bag cover for a journal. And I think I'm going to use Crafty Cat's Easter Bonnets digital. Um, I haven't, I wanted to start working on a digital. That was part of my plan, but like I said, everything's kind of got a little haywire and wonky, and my brain's kind of like, what are you doing? No, this was not the plan, Denise. But so I'm gonna have to sit down here once I get the mask done and figure out my schedule again, because I had a bunch of stuff scheduled to do, and unfortunately, like I said, this whole thing got turned upside down. And oh, it says, I'm so glad we're friends. That is so cute. I like that. I'll keep that for something. For something. But Melody is a Willoughby House on Etsy, and she makes the most adorable fabric flips. She has other things in her shop. I don't know if she has anything in there. Let me pause real quick and take a look and see what she's got in her shop. Okay, yeah, she has a few fabric flips in there. She's got a couple little journals, some journaling cards and stuff like that in there. So I'll leave a link to her shop below. Go and check her out and see what she's got in there. She makes some of the cutest little fabric flips, I'm telling you. So thank you so much, Melody. I appreciate it. You did lift my spirits, sweetheart. Thank you so much. I've got, I don't know, probably about another sack or two of these to make up, hopefully over today and tomorrow. And then I will get that bag out and I'm going to make a journal. I figure I can't do avocado dyeing right now because, with them extending the stay inside order till the end of the month, and things are starting to come back in our Walmart. I don't know. I just want to be safe. You know what I'm saying? So I will have to look at trying to do that in May. And there's a lot of other things that are up in the air right now, like my trip to Scotland. We don't know. As a family, we're kind of torn. Half of us want to go, the other half don't want to go. They don't want to take the chance, even with if the travel ban is lifted. So it's a big issue because we don't know if we're going to lose our tickets. They say, well, they'll give us e-credit, but we don't know. Different airlines are giving different time frames, so that could be a possible problem trying to rebook everything without losing money, So, but that's right now not a major priority. We're just trying to take things day by day and see how things are going. So I will be back, I promise. We'll do a journal. We'll do something. I got to do something. So try and get my creativity back, because like I said, it's kind of when you feel kind of it's kind of hard to that thinking process just is like you might have all the best ideas in the world, but the energy to do it is another totally different thing. So but anyways, guys, I hope everyone is being safe, doing good. If you guys need anything, let me know. I'll do what I can to help. And until next time, guys, keep creating. Be safe. Plenty of hugs, loves, and blessings. Mwah. Bye, guys.